So today I'm going to talk about the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I use this to moisturize my skin. I originally started buying this when I was taking a pottery class, actually. So if you've taken a pottery class, you know that clay is extremely dehydrating to your skin. It dries out your skin, and having a lotion is almost essential. I hated the feeling of the dry skin I had after that class, and I was like, I need to get a daily moisturizing lotion. So I got this one. I actually heard about it from my mom. She uses this all the time, and we are similar in the way that we both don't like smelling products a lot, like very fruity or fragrant things, and so this is fragrance free and it works really well. It does the job. I've never been a big lotion person. I personally have nice skin already and I have never really needed it, and I also don't like the greasy feeling, but this doesn't do that. This really leaves my hands feeling really soft, and I've always enjoyed that about this product. I bought this about 2 years ago and I always replace it, so this definitely isn't my first one. I've been replacing it over and over again. The bottle is this white plastic and it has this applicator here that is also white, and then it has the green cap. So it just kind of goes with one another. And then you have the oats here because it uses soothing oatmeal. So that's kind of its brand. It is dimethicone skin protectant, and it keeps your skin moisturized, and it's good during the winter time because it's dry and cold, and so this definitely helps with that. It's 20 fluid ounces, and it does fit in a luggage suitcase, but it doesn't fit in my purse. It's definitely too bulky, and I don't bring this with me when I travel. They do have items that are meant for travel size with this brand, so you can travel with them. The cream itself is like a white creamy texture. They actually have a cap thing here so you can turn it on and off. And as you can see, it's just this regular cream that kind of blends into your hands very easily. A little goes a long way. It's definitely too bulky to bring with you everywhere, so I would suggest getting one of those small travel size ones, or you can get your own container and use this to refill it. I keep it with my other skincare items. It's dermatologist tested. It moisturizes for 24 hours, or so it claims, and I do find that to be accurate. It's durable, and the soothing oatmeal definitely adds to that. A little goes a long way. If you have allergies when it comes to your skin, then you probably would want to try this out because it's definitely hypoallergenic. This company is great because they don't test on animals. Aveeno began in 1945 and they've been making great skincare products ever since, and this is kind of their motto here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you, and I hope you do check out their products.